Hi Andy, Namaste. Welcome to my channel. Current affairs first bit. Recently, which of the following became the world's first country to give a new malaria vaccine to the children? The correct answer, Cameroon. Second one, recently Telangana Chief Minister Ravant Reddy unveiled a scheme, Gruhajyoti. Under this scheme, from February, how many units of free electricity is provided to household possessing below poverty line BPL? The correct answer, 200 units. Third one, recently which of the following Indian film has been nominated for 96th Oscar Awards 2024 in Best Documentary category? The correct answer, To Kill a Tiger. Next one, what is the theme of International Education Day 2024, which is observed on January 24th? The correct answer, Learning for Lasting Peace. Fifth one, which space agency and Lockheed Martin has unveiled the X-59 supersonic aircraft, which runs faster than the speed of sound? The correct answer, NASA. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ ఇవ్వండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.